Hello and welcome to today's video. I am trying out a new morning routine today, one where I clean up after myself as I get ready. This is inspired by the Fly Lady's morning routine. So I will be doing a little bit of laundry and tidying up around the house as I get ready for my day. I bought this espresso machine about a week ago and I am so thrilled to have coffee back in my life. I gave up coffee a couple years ago and only in the last 2 months have I been able to start having espresso again. It has to be decaf, but that really just makes my morning. I add a little bit of milk and some cinnamon and stevia, and usually just stare out the window and think about what is on the agenda for my day. Now it is time to make breakfast. 99% of the time I cook my food at home, and this morning is no exception. I am making breakfast for both me and my dog. I cook his food about twice a week, and I am also just scrambling an egg and making some oat bran for myself. And this is what it looks like after using the kitchen once. So many times I would just move on and get the day going, and by the end of the night, the kitchen, actually the whole house, would be a complete disaster. Instead, I am gathering the dishes, putting them in the sink, and just straightening up a bit, putting everything back in its place, and wiping down the countertops and the stovetop. Literally took me less than 2 minutes. Now the dishes, those take a little bit longer. I don't have a dishwasher, so I am doing it the old-fashioned way, and I love my slim dish rack there. So taking about another 20 minutes to get the dishes done, and I'll just let them to dry there. I bought a fur lint grabber on Amazon, and I will link it in the description. If you have a pet, I highly recommend it. It gets every ounce of hair off of any kind of fabric. Now it's laundry time. So I am doing things a little bit out of order. When you get out of bed in the morning, she has you make your bed immediately and take a load of laundry to your washing machine. I use this portable washing machine, which I attach to my kitchen sink. So I needed to have the kitchen completely clear before I started doing any laundry. This washer works amazingly well. I am doing my white linen, so I've just added a little bit of lemon juice, vinegar, and dish soap to brighten the linens, and it works amazingly well. And you can see all the settings here. You have the option to do a heavy duty wash, a soak and wash. I let these soak overnight in OxyClean first, and now I'm on a wash cycle to get them extra white. And now that laundry is going, I am going to start getting dressed for the day. These are the products I use in the morning. I start with a toner. After I've exfoliated in the shower, then I use a serum, followed by a moisturizer, followed by sunscreen. This is a new foundation I'm really loving. It is really sheer and it's by MAC. Seems to blend well with my skin tone. I don't like wearing a lot of makeup. And I don't like wearing lipstick at all, so I'll just use lip liner and smudge it on my lips. Add a little bit of my jewelry, and for my hair, I am actually brushing it out, which that doesn't happen every day. Doing a little bit of heat in the front, and then I use a color spray for my roots. Add in my earrings, and I am ready to go. Now this is the aftermath. Again, if I was in a rush or just not paying attention, I would leave the bathroom in this exact state. Because I've already decluttered this room, it is so fast. It's really easy to clean up the bathroom for me. Fly Lady has you do a little wipe down of the countertops, a swish of the toilet, so I've done that, and I get to leave this room completely clean. Now it's on to my living room. This is what it looks like from the night before. I didn't put anything away. The living room is a work in progress. I have a pile here in the corner you'll see of returns that I need to process throughout the week. And I have a giant pile of stuff to be sorted and decluttered sitting in the entryway that you can't see from this angle. So the stuff that ends up in this room is usually lying around and belongs elsewhere, like in my purse, sometimes back in the kitchen, clothes in the clothes hamper. Starting the second load of laundry. At this point, I'm about 2 hours into my morning, and it's taking me a while. I've cooked food, I've done dishes, I've taken a shower, gotten dressed, done a load of laundry. There is a lot going on, and let me know how long your morning routine takes. I'm not used to doing this much cleaning in the morning, but it actually feels good to be getting this stuff done for the day. This is my portable dryer. Isn't she cute? I have her temporarily set up in the bedroom. I use these wool balls to quicken the drying time. Ideally, the dryer is vented near a window. It used to be in my kitchen. It is en route to making it to my bedroom closet, which I need to declutter first. And then it will live in there, and there is a window in the closet. But for now, it's totally fine having it in the bedroom, and it makes the place smell like fresh laundry. These windows are my favorite thing about my home. There's always sweeping to be done, thanks to this little fella. Look how cute he is. When I was apartment hunting, the girl who lived here was breaking her lease, And so she was the one in charge of renting it out, and she was getting so many emails and so many calls. And when I walked up the stairs, she was on the phone with someone else who was interested. I turned the corner and I saw these windows, and I told her I'll take it. And she thought I was crazy because I hadn't even seen the rest of the apartment. I hadn't seen the bathroom or the kitchen or the bedroom closet, but it didn't matter. I knew it was my place as soon as I saw those windows. Nothing better than having fresh, clean sheets on the bed. How often do you change your bedding? Let me know in the comments. How often do you switch out your bedding? I have a few different sheet sets. I love crisp white linen. It's very cooling, especially in the summertime. And as it starts to get colder, I will probably change my sheets out for a flannel set. I have a really cute plaid set of sheets that I like to use around the holidays. It amazes me how much work goes into keeping a clean and orderly home. It really is a full-time job. I heard somewhere that we spend a third of our lives sleeping and the other third of our lives doing tasks like laundry, feeding ourselves, just day-to-day life. So that sounds about right. This entire morning routine took me a few hours. I was able to get out the door by 11 a.m. So once this load of laundry finished, I made myself another cup of coffee for the road. And now it is time to put away the washing machine. If you've seen my closet declutter video, then you know I made space for this to fit into the hallway closet. The washer and dryer both used to live in my kitchen, so the kitchen was just super crowded, and it's a much happier place without a washer and dryer living inside of the kitchen. So I just wheel it into the closet and wheel it out once a week when it's time to do laundry. And I will take that any day over going into my apartment building's basement laundry. Having a washer and dryer is a real luxury. Look how good and organized that closet looks, by the way. Washing up these last few dishes. Putting away these last few things. Actually taking out the clothes from the dryer and folding them and putting them away. This is one of those things where I usually let it sit in the dryer and just pull it out from there. It feels good to get into this habit of completion. It's something I'm really working on in my life. It's not letting things get 80, 90, even 95% done, but really completing them 100%. In this case, it means carrying the towels to their home. They live in the bathroom for now. That's where I keep my hand towels and my towels for the week. And then putting my dish towels that are clean back into the kitchen. And I am done for the morning. I'm leaving this entire house super clean. It took a few hours. It is now time to leave. I'm heading out for the day. But I mean, I am hair done, nails done, everything done. It feels really good. The whole house has been clean, and I will get to come back to this. Subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching this week's video.